Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. So first, you want to locate the add-ins options. For me, it's here at the Home tab, but sometimes you can find it here at the Insert tab. So just go ahead and click on add-ins, and then you want to go to the store. Then just search for GPT. And then you want to download this one, GPT for Excel Word. Just click on Add, then Continue. Then it will automatically open. Then you just want to wait for it a few seconds, and then after that you can already use it. There are some functions that you can use inside the add-ins, or you can just simply click on a cell, then you want to put a equal symbol, then you want to put GPT, then a open parenthesis, a quotation mark, and you can write your prompt, whatever you want the ChatGPT to do for you. For example, then end it with a quotation mark again, and then a close parenthesis, then click enter, then wait for it a few seconds, and it will automatically generate it for you. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.